Hi there! Today we are diving into some of the new Amazon gadgets. Each product link will be provided in the description. If you like the video, please press the like button. Let's start! Meet the CouchConsole, your ultimate organizer for any space. Its self-balancing cupholder ensures no spills, even on uneven surfaces, while the modular design lets you customize it for drinks, snacks, or gadgets. Built to last, it's perfect for your living room, RV, car, or even a picnic. With built-in USB-C charging and generous storage, it keeps your essentials organized and your devices powered. Sleek, stylish, and practical, the CouchConsole is a game-changer for your relaxation time. Cooking made simple with the ThermoPro TP19H digital meat thermometer. Its ultra-fast 3-second readings and 9F accuracy ensure perfect results every time. The 180 auto-rotating backlit display is great for left-hand users, while motion-sensing sleep mode saves battery life. Built to last with IP65 waterproofing and a magnetic back for easy storage, it's perfect for grilling, baking, or frying. With a locking function and calibration for precision, the TP19H is a must-have for every kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker. Make 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 ounces a day. Choose from 3 cube sizes, perfect for any drink. Control it via Wi-Fi or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. The built-in self-cleaning feature ensures fresh-tasting ice every time. Plus, customizable RGB lights add style and function. Smart reminders notify you when water is low or the basket is full. Stay cool and smart with this must-have ice maker. Meet the Roborock Qrevo Curv, the ultimate cleaning powerhouse. With 18500 PA suction and 0 tangling brushes, it handles pet hair and tough messes effortlessly. The Adaptalift chassis glides over carpets and hard floors, while FlexiArm Tech cleans every edge and corner. Its multifunctional dock washes, dries, and self-empties hands-free for up to 7 weeks. Plus, smart AI navigation avoids obstacles and maps your home with precision. Say goodbye to hassle and hello to spotless floors. Never lose your essentials again with the Tile Sticker by Life 360. This small, adhesive Bluetooth tracker sticks to remotes, bikes, and more, perfect for keeping tabs on your valuables. Misplaced something? Use the free app to ring your tile or find it on a map. It even helps locate your phone, even on silent. With a 250-foot range, 3-year battery, and water resistance, the Tile Sticker is durable and reliable. Plus, pair it with Life 360 for family-wide safety and tracking. Peace of mind in one tiny package. Keep your coffee hot and your day on track with the Kepwam 55-watt Coffee Mug Warmer. Choose from 3 precise temperature settings: 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, or 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring every sip is perfect. TS large 4.8-inch heating plate fits almost any cup, and the built-in timer auto shuts off after up to 9 hours for worry-free use. Plus, it doubles as a candle warmer with a soothing LED light indicator. Functional, stylish, and the perfect gift for any coffee lover. Say goodbye to cold coffee forever. Brighten your nights with the Sujeet Night Lights. These energy-efficient, dusk-to-dawn LED lights automatically adjust to darkness, using just 0.7 kWh per year. Compact yet powerful, they light up your hallways, bedrooms, and more without taking extra outlet space. With a 4-pack, say goodbye to stumbling in the dark. Upgrade to Sujeet and enjoy a safer, cozier home today. Sick of alarms in the morning? Try something new. Wake up feeling fresher with SwitchBot Blind Tilt. Upgrade your home with SwitchBot Blind Tilt, the easiest way to make your blinds smart. With a quick installation, it retrofits your existing blinds without replacement. Enjoy endless solar-powered battery life and precise 2 adjustments for perfect light control. The built-in light sensor automatically adjusts to keep your room comfortable. Control via the app, set timers, or pair with the Hub Mini for Alexa and Google Home compatibility. Make your blinds smarter, your life easier, and your home more energy efficient. Introducing the BEBIRD Wax Removal Tool, the smart and hygienic way to clean your ears. With a 1080-pixel HD camera and 6 LED lights, you can see every detail of your ear canal for a thorough clean. Choose from multiple tips for different cleaning needs, ensuring safety and comfort. The wireless Wi-Fi connection lets you easily control the device through the app on your phone, and the rechargeable battery lasts up to 30 days. Say goodbye to earwax buildup and experience a professional-level clean right at home. Meet the SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher, the easiest way to automate your home. This Bluetooth fingerbot works with nearly any rocker switch or one-way button, making your appliances smarter in seconds. With easy setup, just tape it on, and a battery that lasts up to 600 days, it's hassle-free. Control your lights, coffee machines, and more with the SwitchBot app, or upgrade to the SwitchBot Hub for voice control via Alexa, Google, and even Siri. Plus, now it supports HomeKit via Matter for an even more seamless experience. Thank you very much for watching the full video. Let us know in the comments which product you found most interesting and useful. If you liked the video, press the like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself.